This is Robbit by team IC05135 from Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University. There is the platform, the 1 meter high platform. There it goes down, right down to 1 meter, 100 centimeters. There you can see the 100 centimeter mark. That's the coir flooring. All along the coir flooring, right up to the 2 meter mark. There you can see 2 meters along the white line. Yeah. This is Robbit. Here you can have an external view of Robbit. And then on the side you can see this thing. That's the suspension system, so as to take the impact, the shock when it falls down from the 1 meter platform. And there you can see the inside of the Robbit. You can have a look at the two motors. That's the right motor and there is the left motor. There you can see the batteries that power Robbit. They're basically 5 9-volt batteries that adds up to 45 volts. There is the FM receiver that runs on 3 volts, so that's 45 plus 3, 48 volts. And then you have another 3 AA batteries. These basically give the reference voltages required to trigger the motors. These 3 AA batteries add up to 4.5, so you have 48 plus 4.5, that's 52.5 volts. So that's the total power on board, 52.5 volts. There you can have another look at the suspension system. That is a remote control, basically a tone dialing telephone. Those are the controls wherein 2 is forward, 8 reverse, 1 is a gentle left turn, 3 a gentle right, 4 a sharp left, 6 a sharp right, 5 is the stop switch, and similarly 7 a gentle left reverse, 9 a gentle right reverse. The beeps you hear whenever you dial on a tone dialing phone are taken from the speaker output and passed along this wire to an FM transmitter. That is basically an FM transmitter circuit. This circuit transmits these beeps over the FM at a frequency of about 104 MHz. That is a common FM receiver set which receives the signals transmitted by the FM transmitter, and then it passes it along this line to the DTMF decoder circuit. The DTMF decoder IC8870 converts the signal into a 4-bit signal. This 4-bit signal is passed over into a 4 to 16 converter, 4514. This converter, depending on the logic, passes over the outputs of the 4 to 16 converter to OR gates 4072. These are basically 4 input OR gates. The output of this OR gate is used to trigger the motors. The outputs of the OR gate are passed along this line to the next level of circuits, where these things are basically, these ICs you can see here are basically optocoupler ICs. They used to separate the ground of the main circuit from the ground for the motors and the motor control circuit. These ICs are MCT2E. They're basically optocouplers. The final control circuit which triggers the motors. Those are the points to which you connect the power, and there are the points where you connect the motors.